Hey girls, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a back to school period kit or a back to school emergency kit. So basically this emergency kit has anything in it that you could possibly need at any point in time, either during school, middle school, high school, college, even for like work, anything like that. So I hope you enjoy and let's get back into the video. So this is what the kit looks like. It's just in this bag I got from Pink, and it can be in any type of bag you want. Just any bag like this would be fine. So inside of the bag it looks like this. Sorry, it's kind of messy right now. I've been moving it around, but I have a lot of stuff in it, so I will show you everything I have. This is just kind of like an overview. So first I have this Tide to Go stick. It's super useful. I've already used it a few times and I haven't even been in school yet, but I really love it. And if you ever happen to spill anything on you, get any type of stain on you at school, this is great to have on you. Next, I just have a pack of gum. Obviously, people like gum, and it's nice to give away some pieces sometimes to your friends as well. Going along with the gum, I also have Tic Tacs. And I have some Halls because I get sick a lot and I always have a cold or a cough or something, so it's nice to have Halls on you as well, just in case you have a sore throat. The next thing in my emergency kit is just this pack of Kleenex. It's just like a 10 count, I think, but it's just nice to have Kleenex on you in case you need it, because either sometimes in your classroom you either don't have it or you don't want to get up to go get it, so it's nice just to have Kleenex on you. Next, I highly recommend having a little thing of deodorant with you at school or at work. They're super helpful to have. This is just a Dove one. But yeah, I highly recommend it in case you forget, you know, to put it on before you leave to go to work or school, or you just after gym class or anything like that. It's really great to have. Then I have a hand cream, a mini hand cream from Bath & Body Works, a lip balm by EOS, and another hand sanitizer from Bath & Body Works. And I recommend having all these things because it's very nice in case you have chapped lips or dry hands or you need to wash your hands quickly, just to have these things on you at all times. Next, I have this little mint container, and I don't actually have any mints in it. Inside, I have a few hair elastics. I have some Q-tips because you never know when you need Q-tips. They're very useful. I have a bobby pin, and then at the bottom you can see I just have a few bandaids in case I need bandaids ever. Having bobby pins and hair ties are great to have on you at all times. They're really useful. And I just put it in this little tin so that it doesn't take up as much room and I can find them really easily. So the next thing I have is extremely important to have you on you at all times, and it's just some stuff for your period. So I have two pads. They're both Always Infinity. This is the heavy and this is the extra heavy flow. This is just the old packaging, but it's really useful to have pads on you. Either, I don't always wear pads to school, but even if you have a friend who needs a pad, you have them on you. Then going along with that, I have 4 tampons. I like having extras just in case, like I said, someone else needs one or you forgot to pack them in your bag. You always have them on you. So I have 1 Tampax Pearl Regular, 1 Playtex Sport, no this isn't, this is Playtex Gentle Glide Super, 1 Playtex Sport Regular Compact, and 1 Playtex Sport Super Plus. And I know they're all different sizes, but I use literally every one of these sizes on my period, so it's nice to have them on you in case you need them. Then I have 2 Carefree ActiFresh liners. These ones are unscented. All my products are unscented. And I also have 2 cleansing cloths. I love these so much. It doesn't matter what brand it is. I just have like the drugstore brand, but they are so useful. I also, for your period, I recommend having an extra pair of underwear. I have it in this baggie, but just in case you get your period at school, you have them on you. It has happened to me before and I've had to go home because I didn't have anything extra on me. So it's really great to have these as well. Then I have some ibuprofen for period cramps and stuff like that, or headaches for school if you need it, or again, if a friend needs it. It's nice to have them on you. I also have a nail file. I don't know where I got this from, but it's just nice to have the nail file on you. And finally, for the last few things, I have this thing of floss. I have 2 pieces of chocolate just in case, just to treat yourself, you know. You never know when you're gonna want a piece of chocolate. And finally, I have $3. Just in case, just to have on me in case I ever need it. Say I forget to bring lunch or to take the bus or something like that, I have money on me at all times. I recommend having a couple dollars with you all the time. Even if like you use your debit card or something, have like change, because you never know when you'll need it. So that's it for my back to school emergency kit. I hope you guys liked it, and leave a comment telling me what you think of it and giving me some suggestions for other videos I should make. And thank you so much for watching.